Hey Jeep lovers! Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your home for everything off-road, rugged, and ready to roll. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful performance upgrades for your Gladiator cold air intakes. Whether you're chasing horsepower, better towing, or the deep intake growl, we've got the top 5 air intake systems that'll give your Jeep the breathing power it deserves. Stay tuned till the end because we'll help you pick the perfect one for your ride. Number 5. EVIL Energy Cold Air Intake. The EVIL Energy Cold Air Intake is a sleek, performance-driven system built for 2018 to 2024 Jeep Gladiator JT and Wrangler JL 3.6L engines. Known for its budget-friendly performance, this kit delivers a surprising punch in throttle response, horsepower, and overall engine efficiency. The black aluminum pipe paired with a large conical air filter ensures smooth airflow and improved combustion, helping your Gladiator breathe easier under stress. The package includes a heat shield and pre-filter, both designed to block hot air and contaminants, keeping the intake system running efficiently even in dusty off-road conditions. Users highlight how the EVIL Energy intake noticeably enhances acceleration and towing performance, making it ideal for daily driving and weekend trail adventures. Installation is beginner-friendly, with most users completing it in under an hour. The added intake sound is deep and sporty, but not overpowering, giving your Jeep that performance tone every enthusiast appreciates. Number 4. Cold Air Intake Piping Kit with Pre-Filter. The Cold Air Intake Piping Kit with Pre-Filter, 10,479 picofarads, is a robust performance upgrade designed for 2018 to 2024 Jeep Gladiator JT and Wrangler JL 3.6L V6 engines. Built with high-grade aluminum tubing and a precision heat-shielded airbox, it channels cooler air into the combustion chamber for increased horsepower and smoother throttle response. A standout feature is the pre-filter wrap, which protects the filter from fine dust and water droplets, perfect for Jeep owners who frequently explore off-road terrains. The kit's clean black finish adds a sporty touch under the hood while keeping engine bay temperatures lower. Owners report noticeable gains in acceleration and mid-range torque, especially during towing or highway merging. Installation is quick and straightforward, requiring no drilling or special tools. Overall, this intake offers a durable, affordable, and stylish performance boost for Jeep Gladiator drivers who want reliable power without compromising on protection. Number 3. Rough Country Cold Air Intake with Pre-Filter. The Rough Country Cold Air Intake with Pre-Filter, 10,479 picofarads, is engineered to give your 2021 Jeep Gladiator a major performance edge both on and off the road. Designed for the 3.6L V6 engine in the 2018 to 2024 Jeep Gladiator, JT, and Wrangler JL, this intake replaces the restrictive factory setup with a high-flow intake tube and reusable air filter that deliver cooler, cleaner air straight to the engine. What sets it apart is the included pre-filter, which keeps dust, mud, and debris from clogging the main filter, a huge advantage for off-roaders and overlanders who drive through harsh environments. The black powder-coated intake tube not only looks rugged but also resists heat and corrosion. Users consistently praise this system for its improved acceleration and throttle response, especially noticeable when climbing hills or hauling gear. Installation is simple, taking less than an hour, and no ECU tuning is required. For Gladiator owners seeking durability and real-world performance gains, Rough Country delivers an excellent balance of quality and value. Number 2. Cold Air Intake Kit with Heat Shield. The Cold Air Intake Kit with Heat Shield is a performance-focused upgrade built specifically for the 2018 to 2023 Jeep Gladiator and Wrangler JL 3.6L V6. Its design combines a durable aluminum intake tube with a precision-fit heat shield, effectively blocking hot engine air and feeding cooler air to the engine. The result is a sharper throttle response and improved fuel efficiency, ideal for drivers who want extra punch without major engine modifications. Installation is beginner-friendly, taking about 30 to 45 minutes using basic tools. The filter is washable and reusable, reducing long-term costs. Jeep enthusiasts love how it transforms the sound of the engine, giving that deep, sporty growl when accelerating. Several users on Amazon noted a noticeable increase in torque during towing and uphill drives, making it a smart choice for both daily use and off-road adventures. Its sturdy build and smooth airflow design make it one of the best value intakes in its category. Number 1. Can-N Cold Air Intake System. The Can-N Cold Air Intake System, 63 to 1576, is one of the most trusted upgrades for the 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Designed to increase airflow by up to 50%, it helps boost horsepower and towing performance. Built with a high-flow cotton filter and a heat-shielded intake tube, this system ensures the engine breathes cooler, denser air, resulting in improved throttle response and better sound. This intake fits perfectly on 2018 to 2025 Jeep Gladiator and Wrangler JL models, and installation typically takes under an hour using basic hand tools. Many Jeep owners report noticeable acceleration improvements right after installation. The Can-N filter is washable and reusable, making it a long-term performance investment instead of a replace-and-forget part. Drivers also appreciate the deep, aggressive intake growl it adds without creating excessive cabin noise. Whether for off-road adventures or highway cruising, this intake gives the Gladiator's V6 engine the breathing power it deserves. So there you have it, the 5 best cold air intakes for your 2021 Jeep Gladiator. From the legendary Can-N system to the rugged rough country setup, each one delivers its own punch of performance and power. All product links are in the description. Check them out on Amazon. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and turn on notifications for more Jeep builds, mods, and reviews every week. This is Adventure Jeep, where every drive is an adventure. See you on the next trail.